Hi, I'm Caroline, and today we're going to look at how to operate a lawn corer. You'll need to hire a lawn corer if you have compacted or clay-heavy soil that you want to get some moisture into, or if you want to keep a lawn at its best by ensuring good water and fertiliser uptake. The aeration provided by a lawn corer helps with watering and fertilising to help promote good grass growth. The Kennards hire lawn corers are self-propelled, and there are also weights which you can remove when transporting. So what we're doing is taking a core of earth out of the ground and making these holes so that we can get water and air deeper into the soil, and then the core gets dropped back onto the lawn. These are called tines, which actually make the holes, and the depth of the holes can be adjusted using this turning knob. Depending on the time of year, you may want to water your lawn about a week or so before using the lawn corer, so the ground isn't too rock hard. But you don't want it to be too muddy either, so don't overwater, keeping in mind there may be water restrictions in place. Make sure you mow the lawn before you start so that the machine doesn't have to work through long grass. Use the QR code that's on the machine to access a variety of resources, including the operator's manual for tips on safety. So this is Derek. Hello.
Hi.
So Derek's going to show us how to use the lawn corer today. And like Derek's doing, make sure you've got safety goggles on, ear protection and gloves. Open the fuel valve and adjust the choke if necessary. Start the machine by pulling the starter cord. You can adjust the speed of the machine with the throttle. Once you have the engine running, lower the back wheels using the rear wheel control handle. Now hold the handlebars and gently pull up the clutch control to start the machine moving. You don't have to push the machine, just hold the handlebars. If the tines aren't digging in deeply enough, release the clutch to stop the machine, then adjust the tines using the depth control knob. Handy tip: when you get to the end of a line, lift the tines out of the ground to turn the machine so you don't churn up the soil. If the ground is tough, you may need to do 2 passes. When you're finished, you can rake the soil cores off the lawn, and at this point you can dress the lawn with sand and rake it into the holes to help them stay open. Then add fertiliser and water to drive nutrients and moisture deep into the ground for a healthy green lawn. So there you have it, a quick look at how to use a lawn corer. Remember, the team at your local Kennards Hire branch can answer any questions that you have about any particular project. For more information, visit the website or give us a call. Bye. While operating machinery, we recommend using the necessary safety gear, all of which each Kennards Hire branch has in stock. Follow all safety instructions Kennards Hire staff give you, and always refer to the operator's instructions before operating. Instructions are available on the Kennards website, or simply ask at your local branch.
Kennards make your job easy.